Hi, I'm Doug Proper from The Guitar Specialist, and I'm super excited to tell you about a brand new product from GluBoost. This is Fill and Finish White, or what I like to call liquid binding. I personally asked Rick Rosenberg from GluBoost to create this product, and boy did he really come through. This is an incredible product that has a myriad of uses in the shop, from filling nut slots to mixing custom pastel colors for finish touch-up. But what I'm most excited about is its use as an alternative to traditional binding repairs. Traditionally, if the binding on a guitar was missing a section, cracked, shrunken, or crumbled away, the only choice most luthiers had was to either replace the binding completely, which we all know is a pretty arduous job and on a vintage guitar, regrettable, or you would have to try and graft in a section of new binding, which never looks good even in the best of circumstances. The seams are typically very visible, and it's extremely difficult to match the old binding. The other alternative has always been to try and melt either cellulose or ABS plastic material into acetone to create a binding slurry. Well, I've been doing this for almost 40 years, and I can tell you that method does not work very well, and to my eyes, hardly ever looks good. About 15 or 20 years ago, I came up with a technique for repairing missing or crumbling binding by starting with a cyanoacrylate base, adding some chemicals and pigments, in order to recreate binding that was either missing, shrunken, crumbled, or rotted away. The only problem with that is that it was difficult to make. I had to mix up a fresh batch every time I needed it, and it wasn't particularly shelf stable. Well, thanks to GluBoost, my binding solution is in the bottle, sitting on the shelf, ready to go. I can mix it with any of the MasterTint powdered pigments from GluBoost to match any shade of binding, or I can leave it white and add color on top of it. In future videos, we're going to show you many of the ways which I use this product, but for now, let me show you what kind of results you can get with it in binding repairs. So hurry up and log on to GluBoost.com or wherever you buy your GluBoost products and pick up a bottle or two, because this is destined to become an indispensable item in your shop.